doing it now is because now they
Here, get a cookie.
They could have filed it before.
You want a cookie?
Started,
Okay, alright.
In about it yet. See, what happens is as you go through the
Easy
trial,
now, easy now.
things come up, and then you
Oh, yeah, sure.
Now,
Oh, my dog, oh, my dog, oh, my dog.
Review those at the end of the trial based on the
Zheba.
evidence that came out in trial. So what you might think would come in at the beginning might not always be what it is at the end. So the timing of this makes sense. They also want to get in a
You want a snack?
basically
Cookie?
contradict Dr. DeMarchi about the borderline.
Another cookie? Alright.
So that was a different motion that they had. So it does not surprise me that these are coming in right now.
Easy now, easy now.
When I would expect them.
Okay.
You got your fingers that time.
Easy, easy, easy.
Get this jury
Oh.
instruction out about the manslaughter due to passion.